Hi, my name is Morgan Akins, and welcome to my ePortfolio. This is me, and here is a little bit about me. Up here, you'll find the History, Culture, and Society tab. And on this tab, you'll find a list of some of the major assignments that we completed this term. And then above each assignment, you'll find a reflection about that assignment. And then here towards the bottom, you'll find some of my favorite resources that I came across during this term. Let's see. And so the assignment that best represents me as a social study teacher would have to be the unit outline. And I'd say that this best represents me because I'm a very organized person and I just strive well with organization. This assignment, I believe, had 15 different steps to be completed. At first, I was a little overwhelmed with how many steps they were, but then I love the organization of it. I like that every point was hit and it kind of broke it up into manageable tasks, and then nothing was missed by the end of the assignment. The unit outline was complete and full and satisfied all the criteria. The assignment that I'm most proud of would have to be the integrated lesson plan right here. And I am most proud of that assignment because it did take a lot of work to incorporate two lessons or two subjects into one lesson. But I think that's something that I'm going to be utilizing a lot as a teacher, just to reinforce skills that have already been learned and just to kind of give it more relatability to the students. And then the assignment that was most challenging for me was the annual pacing guide here at the top. So in this assignment, we created an annual pacing guide for social studies. I've never created one before, so this was my first attempt at it. It was just kind of difficult to kind of outline the whole year, not being able to know what I would encounter for things that might take longer or things that might be that might go faster for the students that they may grasp quicker than other things. So just taking that all into consideration and planning the entire year out was just really challenging for me. But I hope to get more practice with that and to kind of fine tune my skills on that. But overall, I really enjoyed this class and thank you very much.